What advice do you have for couples like my partner and I who are navigating erectile dysfunction after prostatectomy, especially when one of us is ready to try treatments and the other feels discouraged, anxious, and emotionally disconnected?
Wow. Okay. Well, again, that's not an uncommon scenario, I don't think. There is I think the understanding that sexual activity is oftentimes a couple situation, and sometimes, yeah, there could be a little bit of a disconnect. In a positive or negative way. Like we mentioned earlier, there could be, a supportive partner who says, "Oh, I love you no matter what, even if you're regular." Well, that sounds great, but also that may not be quite, that's a little self-defeating. But if somebody also says, "I don't care about sexual activity," and they're distancing themselves, that's a problem too. So I think that the way to address this, I think, frankly, again, is to just, to try to come clean about it. Try to make sure we have a good, honest conversation with your partner. Try to figure out where they're coming from, and then possibly get some involvement by somebody who's a therapist and a specialist to try and understand what's important to that couple, your couple's interaction there, and where each of you are coming from, and maybe find a solution that makes some sense. And they may arrive at an endpoint that may differ between different people, but certainly taking action here and finding somebody who can interact with you to try and reconcile the differences and try to figure out how we can restore that relationship, restore that mutual love between those two individuals